Welcome to my new series, which is Kubernetes tutorial. In this series, I will create a Kubernetes cluster on my laptop. All will run in a virtualbox environment. And I will create a Kubernetes cluster using 3 hosts. A master node, and 2 other worker nodes. They are connected together using a host-only network with this IP address 5650/24. My master node IP address is this is 0. My master IP address is 50, worker node 51, worker 2 52. Also, at the beginning, I will clone this virtual machine from a virtual machine called Ubuntu 22 base. I will clone them and run this laboratory. As you can see here, this is my base machine. You can clone it and call it, for example, master or worker or anything. Generate a new MAC address. It is link cloned and finish. After that, it will create it for you. But in this video, I will create it using command line tools. As if I copy and run it in my terminal, as you can see here, I don't have any machine. And by running this command in my terminal, this virtual machine will create it in my VirtualBox. It will clone this machine from this. Also, after cloning this virtual machine, it's required to change host name. I will use some aliases and change IP address. Here I created some bash script for these 3 machines to configure them. I think you are familiar with this. This will set host name, this will set an alias, and this is the IP address. As you know, here this is my first machine, and first machine IP address by default, my master IP address is 50, and after turning on this machine, I can run this command and send this configuration to my host. This is 50, and I will run this command in this machine. After that, I will turn on next machine. Here we are, and if I run this command, okay, here we can see nothing has done. Let me see what's wrong, because my base machine IP address is 5, as you can see here. So I can change these 5 to 50 This is my master node. My master node would be 50, and that's it. And this command will run on this node. I think now it's wrong. Yes, and IP address has been changed, also host name, aliases, and all of them was successful. Next, I will run this machine till boot process. I will do some changes for worker 1. In my worker 1, change this is the worker 1 and IP address is 51. Also about worker. Okay, my machine is up and I can send worker 1 command to my machine. After, I think there is an error here. No, it ran and everything is fine. As you can see, it worked and fine. Let's go to next machine. We have a problem here. Let's go and reset this machine. Check my file worker 2. This is worker 2 and change this IP address to 52. It's okay. And here I have my machine SSH2 worker 2. It is running. Okay, I think it's run. And here we are. IP and all configuration has been done. Okay, as you can see here, our laboratory is ready and we clone this virtual machine and our laboratory is ready. We can continue. In the next video I will configure pre-requirement to install these services on these nodes.